Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. Of course, it's the Success Source Creative Space, your most preferred space for artistic creations. I am Miracle Akman. Happy new month to you all. Meanwhile, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell. This will enable you receive notice of our new videos. This episode explains how to construct the block letters of the alphabet from A to Z in a detailed format. Enjoy the demonstration. Alright, so first of all, we go to the materials we need. I've always explored the materials I use so that you won't be confused. Though you are not restricted, there could be other alternatives. But this is the paper, which is the surface. We need a pencil, basically. My pencils are sharpened. You can see different shades of pencils. Pen, maybe black ink or whichever. And we need to sharpen your pencil, that is an artist cutter. You also need a ruler that will help in the construction. To proceed, we first and foremost take the dimension. Like the dimension, when I say dimension, means the unit of measurement. And what is the unit? The unit determines the size of the lettering. If you want the size of the lettering to be big or small, it is determined by the unit of measurement. So for this exercise, we are going to be using 1 cm is equal to 1 unit. 1 cm on the vertical axis, 1 cm on the horizontal axis. We'll begin with the edge. Try to seek the edge. You can see you have to keep a border, 1 cm border. Also pick it here, 1 cm. And on this other axis also 1 cm border. And 1 cm border. Now using longer ruler to link them together, this point to this point, also this point to this point. You can see our border is up. The next thing is for us to run 1 cm. We mark 1 cm all through. Since the unit is 1 cm is equal to 1 unit, so we are going to move. You watch, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Until you reach the end of the paper. You also come back to this side and also mark the same 1 cm all through to the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and so on to the end. So when you are done with marking, you can see we've marked the lines to the end on 1 cm, on 1 cm on this side and this side. The same thing will be applicable on this side. You have to mark on this side to the end and on this side. So you get 1 cm, you also create 1 cm space here. 1 cm and link it together. To the end. You also come down here and also take the 1 cm. So that you have the borders on the 4 sides. You also link it. Link the 2 points together. If you check the 4 borders, you're going to see borders all around mine. So you also mark the same thing you did on this other side, you will do the same here. So mark 1 cm so that you can align them. 1, 1, 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You run it to the end. You also come to the floor here and also mark 1 cm from this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You run it to the end. We are through with the markings. You can, if you pan it down closer, you're going to see the markings. You can see the markings there coming very sharp. You can see the point. But the same thing is over here. You also run it. So now you try as much as possible. We'll be linking this side to this side. Linking this side, what we have here, to this side. So that's what we're doing now. So you need, this is where the longer ruler comes in. So from this point to this point, we'll link the edges together neatly. The next stage is for us to bolden our borders so that we'll know where the borders are. So in this case, I'm going to use a black pen or ink to bring out the borders. So you can see what I'm doing. My distance is only 6. You can see. I also come back to this side. Let's use vertical. Let's place our paper on a portrait format. So if you can pan down the camera, what we'll do, we'll be looking at, before you begin, you look at, we'll leave a space, one before we start, and also leave one space before we start. Take note, there are rules for lettering. Each letter of the alphabet carries 3 spaces on the vertical axis. I always have my little secret to guide you while you are constructing. Now, on the horizontal axis, you're having 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. On the vertical, you'll be having 5 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write it very faintly so you can erase it at the end. Then the same thing you have on this side is what you have on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And for the 3, you have 1, 2, 3. So this, we are going to see how this works. It will help you get your lettering quickly. So once we get this, the next thing is you link point space 2 to space 1. Space 2. This is space from here to here is 2. You link it to space 1 where you had this one. You also link space 2 here to space 3. So when you mark your areas, you use your ruler neatly. This is space 2 to space 3. also space 2 to space 1. You can see. So how you get the center of your A is going to be half of 4 into half of 5. The same thing here. Half of 4 into, so you link the 2 points. Half of 4 into half of 4. You can see the 2 points. I've linked it. You also link this other side as well. So what I do in the end, remember we need a dipper, we're using a black pen. So you use black pen to bring out the areas that you need and ignore the other areas. This is what I do. So our letter A is out. So we move over to letter B. Still using the same illustration I gave. So this is the space, assuming we are skipping one space. So you also drop 1, 2, 3. This side 1, 2, 3. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This always guides. So for letter B, how do you construct letter B? So what you do, first and foremost, you are going to pick a curve from here to here, from this point to this point. You can use French curves if you have it. Something like this. The same thing from here to here. You have something like this. So this is a full curve. This is a full curve. So you also pick, this is the center. So you want to pick here to here, full curve. You also pick from here to here, full curve. That's what we have. The next thing is the one inside will be half curve instead of full. You pick from half of this square to half of this other side. So you have something like this. The same thing, this same half from here to the half of this side. You also pick a half curve. When you are done with that, you come over here, you do the same thing you did over here. You do it here and here. So I pick half curve and also pick half curve. So with this, I can link point 1 to point 1 down. This as well to here. I link this to this, here to here, here to here, and here to here. The same thing from here to here, from here to here, and here to here. So you link from this point to this point, and from this point to this point. So now we make use of our pen to see how we can bring it out so that you can see properly. We do it. So what do we do here? We pick the curve inside. The same thing here. From this place, you pick from where they intersect. These two arcs, where they intersect, you bring it out and link. And also link this to that intersection. Bring the curve here. And also come here. You can see the letter B is out neatly. We have come to the end of letter construction in today's episode. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet. Like, share, and drop your comments on the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you on our next episode. Till then, stay creative in your space. Bye-bye.